Dude. What? Dude.
What have you done?
This is what dreams are made of.
Ah, Cheydinhall. It's good to see its walls again. Let's see if we can't find those mountain lions.
In the sacred tongue of the Omnissiah, we chant, Hail, Spirit of the Machine, Essence Divine. In your code and circuitry, the stars align. By the Omnissiah.
Come on, Flynn.
It's okay, baby.
Take a few steps.
You have been systematically killing off all of the members of the Black Hand. You have betrayed the Dark Brotherhood. Why?
I'm okay with getting this and then the card on, to be honest. And then we'll just... No! No. Did I sell him? I sold him! 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 Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Ain't no way. Ain't no. Ain't no fucking way. Oh.
What is
What?
Oh wait, he's cute! Oh, he's like a crocodile! Oh! Oh.
Keep firing! Keep firing! We're being overrun! Mysterios, protect us!
Welcome to the night cafe.
My favorite thing to do after a really intense day is to light an incense, you know, for some relaxation. Doesn't have to be intense all the time. So yeah, I just light it and enjoy.
They should not have left these here with me. Oh my god! Holy shit, those are fucking real! Oh my god, that scared the shit.
No, this grass is too green. It's a yokai.
We didn't even unlock the door! What do you mean it's a yokai? We haven't unlocked the door yet! We haven't even stepped foot in the building!
That's you there?
Just because the grass is green, you know what it is? The grass is always green, buddy! It always is! They gotta be wrong one of these times, right?
Like the TV cracks are like shining too much, so it's a phantom. You see it? It's like shining too much.
You telling me I don't have to exit the truck and you know what it is? I don't have to take a foot out of the truck and you know what it is?
We could do something for you that you like.
Yes. Holy
Would you walk
fuck.
me?
Yes, but rules are rules.
Mom?
What the fuck? What the hell do you think you're doing?
How was my door? I forgot to lock my door.
No, please, no, not like this.
I'm.
Hi, I'm looking forward to our date.
Schatz, das ist nur meine neue Powerbank.
Soll ich mal euch seine neue Powerbank zeigen? Passt mal auf. Das ist sein Handy, das ist das Kabel und das ist seine neue Powerbank. Sag mal, denkst du, ich bin blöd?
Ah, the card.
To watch this 3 times. Like, why does Ash just clock Pikachu?
Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción. Hoy voy a darle paso.
Hey Master Yoda, you wanna go grab a bite to eat?
Yes. Want a burger? I do. Grab my wallet? I will. Go to In-N-Out. We must.
That's what I did with Padme last night. What's wrong?
Talk about it, we will not.
run it through.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast.
Prepare for trouble.
Hello.
And make it double.
Oh.
You found our piano.
And that was a great entrance.
Yeah, that was really good. Good job, guys.
Beat her up.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Beat her
I
to
just
the monster.
Коротше, дід, блядь, гантелю знайшов, думає, що це його іграшка. Він не потягне таке. Тут скільки там, 5 кг мало. Дід, так... Ніхуя в'єбав, блядь. Ще на одному зубку, блядь. Дід, ти чого гониш? Ти, блядь, спортивний ще тип, нахуй.
J'ai trouvé un truc.
Come here.
刚才会了，太牛逼了！哎，刚才。能跑能跑，七哥，他要追求自己的。
Hey, come look at this thing.
What did...
I saw that.
I saw this.
Come over
Oh
here,
my
but
god,
don't-
there was a pit.
Okay, just gotta show you something. Watch this, ready? Just gonna keep frame by frame. What is that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? What's going on? Oh my gosh, dude. What is that? Wait, what? Oh? Oh, it's inbound. Oh no. Target acquired. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, brakes. Air brakes. Oh. Dude, look at the vertical. Oh. Vertical wings. Oh, sorry. Are you? Oh. And she out of here.
Showed my granddad where femboys were and discovered that the apple doesn't fall that far from the tree. So I was just naturally on the internet showing my granddad pictures of, you know, funny cat videos and stuff of that nature. And he on the sidebar, he said, "What's that? She looked thick." I said, "Yeah, she's very beautiful. I'm happy I taught him the word thick." And he said, "Click on that video." I said, "Oh, granddad, that's actually a man." He said, "What? No way. Hold up a second. They're like a woman." And we were watching a video of a femboy compilation on TikTok. And he was saying, "Whoa, they build men like that?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Where do I find one of these things?" I said, "What's up?" He said, "Where do I find one of them?" I said, "Where do you find one?" "Yeah, I want to find one. I want one of them. That seems easy." I said, Pop, I'm so curious. Granddad, why do you want this?" He said, I can have that. I can figure it out. That's easy. Is there like a website or something? Can I order one of them?" I said, "Order one? What do you mean order one? A femboy? You want to order a femboy?" He said, "Yeah, this is, how do I talk to them? Where do they hang out at? What's their location? What is this? Look at him bouncing." And it was just a bunch of thick, sultry femboys with very feminine hips. And he said, "I bet they love it. Oh, COUB. I said, the COUB? What's the COUB? The cloaca. I said, what is the cloaca? You know, where the sun don't shine. You know what I'm saying? They probably can't do much to me because they probably got little ones, little Johnsons, Vienna sausages. I said, I'm beginning to understand where I get a lot of my mannerisms is understanding how I am as a person, because the more he talked, the more I grasped it. I never hung out with my granddad that much, but now I know. I know that I am what I am because of my family. So I said, well, I can help you. I can get you I can get you Grindr. I said, oh, Grindr, eh? Ooh, okay. He starts laughing and smiling and hooting and hollering. I said, okay, cool. I leave this boy for about 6 days. 6 days he messaged me. You know what he says? He says I got one. Now, he's been using his real profile, his real face picture on Grindr. So I said, okay, well, let's see what you got. He bagged him a dime piece. He said, yeah, I've been meeting up with this little one. Took me 1 day to get him. I said, 1 day? He said, yeah, it's easy on here. It's super easy. I paid for Grindr Plus. I said, Grindr Plus? Grindr? I didn't know there was a Grindr Plus. I didn't know that. He said, let me get more of them, location-wise. Let me figure out where they act, their echolocation, their longitude and latitude. I'm going to figure this out. By all means, this man has now, to this day, wasted about $7,000 on femboys. Just taking them out to dates, meeting them at motels, hotels, going crazy. He said, I gotta take the honey pack and the pill, but it works. I said, okay, cool. This is pretty interesting. He said, yep, I'm gonna go out strong with this one. Thank you for showing me femboys. I love you, grandson. I said, okay. All right, this is interesting. Papa done found some man posterior and cheeks. I'm happy that he's not homophobic for sure, but by God, bisexual Jesus did this come out of nowhere and bless him. That is hoo-wee. That's information for me. I'm still digesting this.
This might be the greatest scene in the history of Yu-Gi-Oh!
Just what I wanted. The one and only Gonzalo. And when I say one and only, I really mean it.
A random Eastern European who posts something like this on my Discord, and I'm like, this looks worse than my toilet did this morning. But you have to be Eastern European to understand this tastes really good. I know it looks terrible. Okay, you show this to an Italian and he's gonna Mamma Mia himself off a fucking balcony. I promise you guys, the goulash here is tasty.
What the fuck?
Wir brauchen einmal Unterstützung beim Unfall in der Schönbergstraße.
Ecke Schwalbacher.
Schönbergstraße, Ecke Schwalbacher.
Und vielleicht einen Abschleppwagen.
Wir brauchen einmal Unterstützung in der Schönbergstraße, Ecke Schwalbacher und einen Abschleppwagen.
Ich hab dir gesagt, die Kurve ist eng.
Ich bin total gut.
Ich hab gesagt, die Kurve ist eng.
Haben wir noch Bonbons?
Ja, klar. Oh.
Look at this for multitasking. Eating her breakfast whilst working the tiller with her butt cheeks. About to maneuver herself into a lock. What a talented woman.
Crime and agrophilia. I cast upon thee
Amnesia!
Hey, that's not your wand. Nope.
MashaAllah.
She looks so lovable. What anime? No. No!
Wake up, Mommy. I just missed the bus.
I played Jesus on the History Channel this year. That's true, yeah. I called my mom and I was like, oh mom, guess what? I'm gonna play Jesus. And my mom was like, are you offended? I was like, why? She's like, because they think you look like Jesus. I was like, Mom, when I was a kid, people said I looked like Osama bin
I thought we agreed to put that jungle business behind us. It was mating season. How could I have known she was your sister?
You son of a bitch!
I'm non-binary.
You child of a bitch! Everyone, get him! Get them!
Good.
It starts with
one day, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try to play it through
Oh my god! That was beautiful!
What's a really weird thing that your body does that you're not sure anybody else's body does?
Y'all ready for this?
Just gas. Actually, that's a really good fucking question.
$1.50?
Liter.
But what's
It's
that
a
in
liter.
American?
So, go ahead and just, I guess, multiply it by 2, because that'd be a 2 liter, so that's close to a gallon.
By 4.
Holy shit!
That's still water here.
That's actually
That's
that's actually not that bad. So here's the thing: there's probably some fucking VDV sniper watching us right now, looking at this fucking board, just being like, "Oh god, right now!"